Cascais, a coastal gem located just a short distance from Lisbon, is a captivating destination that seamlessly blends beachfront beauty, historical charm, and a vibrant atmosphere. This former fishing village has evolved into a stylish town that offers travelers a wealth of experiences, from scenic coastal walks to cultural exploration and upscale dining. The picturesque coastline of Cascais is a major draw. The Praia de Reina and Praia de Conceição beaches offer inviting stretches of sand for sunbathing and swimming, while the Praia do Guincho is a haven for surfers and windsurfers seeking the Atlantic's waves. The promenade that runs along the coastline invites leisurely strolls, connecting beaches, parks, and the historic center. The Boca do Inferno, a dramatic sea cave and cliff formation, is a must-see natural wonder. The waves crashing against the rocks create a mesmerizing spectacle, and the surrounding views of the sea are truly breathtaking. Nearby, the Santa Marta Lighthouse Museum provides insights into maritime history and offers panoramic views from its tower. Cascais Historic Center exudes a charming ambience with its narrow streets, whitewashed buildings, and colorful tiles. The Citadel of Cascais, a fortress turned into a cultural center, hosts art exhibitions and events. The Condes de Castro Guimarães Museum showcases a diverse collection of artifacts and art. The town's culinary scene reflects its coastal location. Fresh seafood, particularly the famous Cascais sardines, take center stage on menus. The marina area and the town center are lined with restaurants offering a variety of cuisines, from traditional Portuguese dishes to international fare. Cascais' proximity to natural wonders extends to the nearby Sintra Cascais Natural Park. The park's lush forests, hiking trails, and the stunning Palacio de Pena in Sintra provide opportunities for outdoor exploration and sightseeing. The town's vibrant cultural calendar features events like the Cascais Music Festival and the Cascais International Film Festival. The annual Festas do Mar, a music and cultural festival held on the waterfront, is a highlight of the summer months. Whether you're relaxing on the beach, exploring historical sites, indulging in seaside dining, embarking on coastal walks, immersing yourself in cultural events, or simply absorbing the refreshing sea breeze, Cascais offers an unforgettable and immersive experience that captures the essence of Portugal's coastal allure, leaving an indelible mark on all who venture into its captivating embrace.